This time our hunt led us to North Beach Resort in North Myrtle Beach. Here is one entrance into the resort, and on the right is another.
And to the right here is where the check-in is. The check-in was very smooth and the people at the front desk were very nice. And just around the corner is where Jay and I stayed in one of the one-bedroom flats.
Here is where the Steakhouse 21 Main is. And where this arrow is pointing is where they did the timeshare presentations.
Now for the room tour. Now, if you have any mobility issues, this room on the second floor probably wouldn't be the best choice for you. So, funny story about these rings, I actually left them right here on this hook. I didn't notice until we were an hour down the road. We had to drive an hour back to the resort, but we called North Beach while we were on the way, and they had my rings waiting at the front desk. So I'm very thankful for them. We really love the size of this bathroom. We love that the shower had a bench included, but I really didn't love the floor mats. It just gave me the ick. I just wish it was like the towel form and not these rugs.
Overall, me and Lydia really enjoyed our stay here. We would definitely stay here again. And we actually went home and took some of the decor aspects to our own home.
And if you're looking for an ocean front room, then follow us down to the towers. They have two different towers. One is the Hampton Tower and one is the Jasmine. We're first going to tour our room at the Hampton Tower.
Now, we have stayed in the towers before and we loved it.
Now, this bathroom, it didn't look like they had cleaned it because as you can see at the top, there's a used bar of soap. And at the bottom, it doesn't look like any cleaning products got to the bottom of that tub.
And that's not all that was dirty. The chairs were dirty and the floors were a little sticky in some spots.
But honestly, how could you beat this view? This is the picture that I got at night. It was breathtaking. Now, if you're not a person who likes a side view, then this may not be for you. And honestly, we were a little disappointed in this room because we had hyped this room up so much because we did share this room with my parents and it just fell short of our expectations, especially with how much that this room would cost. But they did make it right and they moved us to the penthouse suite, which we will tour in a little bit.
Now, while our room is getting ready, let's tour the pools.
Now there is another way to get to the garage. You can use this little side entrance, and once we found it, and that was pretty much the entrance and exit we used the rest of the time there.
And the penthouse suite is located in the Jasmine Tower, and there are also restaurants in that same tower.
This penthouse suite was another 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite. We didn't have as much cleaning issues in this room, but there was an air condition issue. The air conditioner wasn't working, but they did send someone up to fix it. And if you like a more direct ocean front view, then the Jasmine Tower is a better option for you.
Overall, this wraps up another On a Travel Hunt with us. Overall, we love staying at North Myrtle Beach Resort. Even we had some minor hiccups and issues. North Myrtle Beach always got great customer service. They always make it right, and they always turn the situation around. So they will forever have our business. Let us know in the comments if you like North Myrtle Beach Resorts and if you would stay here.